Sandali lang po.
Prepare of computers.
General,
Yes, sir.
sandali lang po.
Yes, sir.
We would like to congratulate Nesty Petesio po. Siya po ay nanalo ng silver ngayon lang po. No? Ang nanalo po ng ginto ay ang boksingero galing Japan. But nonetheless, napakagaling po ng pinakitang lakas at gilas ng ating Nesty Petesio. No? Congratulations, Nesty Petesio, for the silver in boxing. Ito pong kauna-unahang pagkakataon na nagkaroon tayo ng mga kababaihang mga boksingero, and it was a silver immediately. We are proud of you, Nesty. Yes, the General, please continue.
Pinagpapatuloy ko po ang pag-mention ng mga APORs under services, yung funeral and embalming, veterinary, technical and testing analysis, security and investigation, rental and leasing, employment, manpower services or essential activities, public transport providers and operators. Employers and workers engaged in the following industries: agriculture, fisheries, forestry, mining and quarrying, electronic commerce companies, export-oriented companies, business process outsourcing companies, money transfers, banks and capital markets, microfinance institutions and credit cooperatives, shipping, and airline. Sa mga other authorized persons outside residence po, ito po, officials and employees of all agencies and instrumentalities of government, including GOCCs and LGUs, health and emergency frontliners, officials and employees of foreign diplomatic missions and international organizations, outbound and inbound international passengers and drivers, delivery personnel and cargo vehicles with or without load, at least at the most 3. Employees of critical transportation facilities, construction workers accredited by DPWH to work in quarantine-related facilities and government infra projects, those traveling for medical or humanitarian reasons, pastors, priests, and imams or such other religious ministers whose movements shall be related to the conduct of necrology or funeral rites. Individuals preferably 21 to 59 years old, availing essential goods and services, teacher, professors, and other staff, lawyers who will provide legal representation, immediate family members of the deceased who died of causes other than COVID-19. And the number 3, ito po ay programa ng ating pamahalaan during the ECQ, those individuals scheduled for availing vaccination. Ito po ang mga list of authorized persons outside the respective residences.